Hello, seventh graders. I'm sorry that some of you didn't get your math test, so the Zoom session probably didn't do a whole lot of good. And so what I'd like to do here is just go through this again, kind of rework the problems that I did on the Zoom session. I'm not going to take a lot of time with this, and like I said, I'm not going to give you the answer, but I will set it up because you probably do have questions about this. And so, I'm on test 20, Form A, and I'm on number 1. So Tim mowed 2 hours and earned $4.50 per hour. So number 1, $4.50 per hour times 2. Then he washed windows for 4 hours and earned $3.45 per hour. $3.45 per hour. And the question is, what was Tim's average earnings per hour for all 6 hours? So take my answer for this, add it to this, and get a total, what he earned, and then divide that by 6. Let's go to number 2. X plus x squared, or x plus x squared minus xy, in parentheses, minus y, and x is 5, y is 4. So x is 5, and then I have 5 squared minus 5 times 4 minus 4. Okay, so 5 plus 25 minus 20 minus 4. So do what's in parentheses first. 25 minus 20 is 5. Add 5 minus 4, and that's your answer. Number 5. In 25 minutes, 400 customers entered the attraction. So number 5, 400 customers entered the attraction in 25 minutes. So 400 customers in 25 minutes. And at this rate, how many customers would enter the attraction in 1 hour? And so I have x here for my unknown, and I have 60 minutes. And so just cross multiply there, so 25x is equal to 400 times 60. Multiply those two and divide by 25. Number 6, the diameter of a round skating rink is 15 meters. Find the circumference of the rink to the nearest meter, right? So 6, diameter is 15 meters. So first of all, let's get our formula. Circumference is equal to pi d, pi times d. And so I have 3.14, my diameter is 15, and so I have 3.14 times 15 to the nearest meter, right, rounded off to the nearest whole number. Let's go to number 8. Number 8, graph this inequality on a number line. X is greater than a negative 5. X is any number. X could be a positive number, negative number, fraction, whatever. But it's greater than a negative 5. Okay? And so not equal to. And so how do you graph that? Go back and review that in your lesson that explains that. Let's go to number 11. And number 11. I have a fraction 5/6. And if I want to get a decimal, then I take 5 divided by 6. And this will give you a decimal number that repeats. It will not come out right. So remember to use your bar over the repetend, right? And so figure out the digit that first repeats, gets the bar, and then that's for A. And then for B, I take 5/6 times 100%, and just put this percent sign back here. And so 5 over 5 times 100 is 500, divided by 6, and that'll give me a mixed number, and then you can just add a percent sign onto your mixed number. Let's go to number 16. Uh, 3/5 m is equal to 48. 3/5 m is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 3/5 to get m by itself, or multiply times 5/3. And that'll get you an answer there. Let's do 19 and 20 yet. 19 is 4 2/3 divided by 1.4 in a fraction format. So 4 2/3 divided by 1 4/10. Okay? And so I have 14 over 3 divided by 14 over 10, which is the same as 14 over 3 times 10/14. And got some canceling there, and so you should be able to figure that one out. And let's do one more, number 20. Negative 26 minus a negative 42 plus a positive 35. So I have a negative 26, and the 42 is positive because I have two negative signs in front of it, and so and this is obviously positive, and so I add those two, 35 and 42, subtract 26 for my answer. Okay, well, hope that helps you. Sorry it didn't work out. I'm not sure what happened, but from now on, if I send an email out that says that a scan is coming, it'll come right away. Check it out, and when we have a Zoom meeting, it's going to definitely be to your advantage to have the test in front of you. So, good luck to you, and we'll. I guess you'll be turning in your work that's due tomorrow. Turn in 2 math lessons and test 20 for tomorrow, Thursday, the 16th. Talk to you later.